Good evening, guys. Welcome back to another vlog, another day.
Like he always says.
Like I always say, चल ठीक है. बार I always say कि like we always say, but ये मेरा dialogue है, and Sylvia does not want to take the credit for. So we will say like I always say.
Because I never say that.
बोलती तो है.
It's you. It's your signature. Opening of the vlog.
Okay. So guys, आज का vlog is a very special vlog for our community because this is a festival that the Kashmiri Pandits celebrate the most, and this is one of our most important festivals out of all, in my opinion. We celebrate it slightly differently as compared to rest of India. ये festival एक दिन पहले celebrate होता है as compared to the conventional day of Shivratri, which is today because आज ये vlog upload होने वाला है.
Guys, fun fact. In Kashmir, Shivratri is called Hayrat, and this word comes from Persian word and means surprise. And Baibu, what is the surprise?
There was a ruler called Jabbar Khan. He was the Pathan ruler and the governor of Kashmir at that time. Kashmiri Pandits, we used to celebrate Shivratri or Hayrat during winter time. He forced Kashmiri Pandits to celebrate this festival during summertime. And very strangely, during summertime, when Kashmiri Pandits started celebrating this festival, it started snowing in Kashmir.
Really?
In summertime, yeah.
Okay, now it makes sense that it's called surprise.
So basically, because of that, there was no cultivation because it snowed during the summertime. So the crops failed, and there was a lot of devastation. And people around, they just could not believe that this is happening. So that was the reason why it is called Hayrat.
This is the moment when Mother Nature comes together with God.
Yeah.
And they're like, this is how it is. Like you used to celebrate it during the winter time. We bring that part of your regular ritual into your celebration now. That's why.
Obviously, because of COVID, हम अपने घरों में नहीं हैं. We're not in India performing this. Otherwise, मैं और Sylvia, we always go to India around this time and celebrate this festival with the family. We will try.
We'll try our
to
best
do the best version of Shivratri. हमसे जो हो पाएगा. And साथ ही साथ, we will explain to you how we perform this puja in the Kashmiri Pandit household, which is very different as compared to rest of India. So stay tuned, guys.
And also, our resources are very, very limited due to COVID. We can't even travel around London to like Indian areas to get the stuff we need. So we try our best to find necessary products. And we'll do our best with what we have. So we have a good intentions in our heart. So please
don't judge us.
Don't judge us and just be kind to us.
Chalo fir, let's start, huh?
Yeah.
Chalo.
And also, before we start, I want to show you my
wardrobe
pashmina.
check.
I know that I know that I promised to you before that I will show you my pashminas. So that's the one I got from my mother-in-law.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
This
it's
is, I think, pure
soft.
pashmina. Yeah.
Yes, it's very soft. You can even see
the grains,
through. But it's so warm.
Yeah.
This is a very special pashmina shawl, and I wear it only for special occasions. So you will not really see me wearing on day-to-day basis because it would break my heart if I would have to wear it. It's you have to take care of it. That's why it's in wardrobe all year round.
Sylvia knows the value of pashminas now.
Yes.
It's like jewelry for her.
Yes. Actually, more.
More than jewelry.
Yes.
So, chalo, let's start, huh?
Let's start.
Okay. So Sylvia has set up the vatuk. Sylvia की presentation skills are like top notch.
I'm trying my best.
So basically guys, जो कश्मीरी पंडित household में पूजा होती है शिवरात्रि की, it's a vatuk पूजा. वटुक का बेसिकली मीनिंग होता है बर्तन या यूटेंसिल्स. पुराने ज़माने में मटकों का यूज़ होता था. ईच मटका signifies essentially a god, this being Shiva, Parvati, and then the other deities as well, like Bhairavas. Over the period of time, clay pots evolve होते गए, and now people use copper utensils to make their vatuks essentially. हमारे पास नहीं थे तो हमने अपना अलग IQ लगाया और जो हमें सिमिलर मिले हमने वैसे टाइप के वटुक बना दिए. Kashmiris are the only people that eat meat or mutton on that day, as I think you probably already know about it. ये एक बहुत कॉमन नोशन रहता है. आई थिंक मैंने लास्ट ईयर के व्लॉग में भी शिवरात्रि के बारे में आई एक्सप्लेन दैट इन द कश्मीरी हाउस होल्ड्स वटुक पूजा वी आर ऑल्सो परफॉर्मिंग भैरव पूजा. तो हम भैरवों की भी पूजा करते हैं. तो हम मीट का चढ़ावा चढ़ाते हैं ऑन द डे ऑफ शिवरात्रि. जय शिव ओंकारा हर शिव ओंकारा ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदाशिव ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदाशिव अर्धांगनी धारा जय शिव ओंकारा. So basically the meaning of this is that glory to you, O Shiva, glory to you. May Brahma, Vishnu and the assembly of other gods, including the great Lord Shiva, relieve me of my afflictions. So that's essentially the meaning of this verse. Om Namo Bhagavate Gopinathaya Yusha Paritasha Lage Bhavasartar Baba. Om Namo Bhagavate Gopinathaya Yusha Paritasha Lage Bhavasartar Baba. Om Namo Bhagavate Gopinathaya Yusha Paritasha Lage. So guys, हमारी छोटी सी आरती अब खत्म हो गई है. We have finished our small little आरती. काफी spiritual experience होता है, whenever we do something like that. It's very spiritual. Either whenever you are either in a church, there is chanting, or you're performing a puja. So Shivratri के कुछ दिनों के बाद there is a day that is called as Doon Mavas. Doon means walnut. So these are the walnuts that we've put inside. And Mavas means Amavasya. So Doon Mavas के दिन guys, ये जो pots हैं जिनको हम वटुक कहते हैं, इन वटुकों का विसर्जन होता है. तो जैसे गणपति विसर्जन करते हैं एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही हम वटकों का भी विसर्जन करते हैं. तो इनका जो पानी है वो हम इधर रिवर साइड या किसी पेड़ के नीचे बहा देते हैं. There is a very funny and a funny ritual, I would say. Basically this Visarjan is done by the elders of the family. So once they come back, they are basically not allowed to come inside the houses till they give some blessings and till they give something to the ladies of the house. So that's
little bribe.
A little bribe. So भाइयों, that's the funny side also to it. जब विसर्जन खत्म होता है उसके बाद जब सारे हमारे elders जो घर आते हैं वो उनको एक मजाकिया तौर पे सिग्निफाई करते हैं कि जो हाउस की लेडीज हैं वो उनसे कुछ मांगती हैं. एंड there is a very certain specific words that they say.
Kuschuf.
Meru.
Kya है?
Ann है, dan है.
Bebo.
Yes.
Where is my Herat Karch?
हेरत खर्च।
Yes.
पैसे के बारे में सिल्विया को हमेशा पता रहता है। So guys, one amazing part about हेरत is the हेरत खर्च। खर्च यानी खर्चा, खर्चा यानी पॉकेट मनी। तो जो घर के बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं वो यंगस्टर्स को हेरत खर्च देते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑब्वियसली मनी। तो ये छोटे हमारे जूनियर्स के लिए बहुत फन डे होता है, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग काफ़ी सारी पॉकेट मनी भेजते हैं, हेरत का खर्च भेजते हैं उनको, तो उनकी तो बल्ले बल्ले हो जाती है। तो सिल्विया को भी हेरत खर्च देना ज़रूरी है, इसलिए मैंने पहले से ही बना के रखा हुआ था सिल्विया का हेरत खर्च। ये ले।
Oh, babushka.
थोड़ा बेंड हो गया जेब में रख के ना।
Oh, thank you. Indian envelopes are the most beautiful envelopes I've ever seen. Beautiful.
खोल ले, you can open it.
That's why I always keep them as a souvenirs. So if you don't know what to buy me as a gift, give me envelope.
In India, you don't keep it as souvenir. What happens is they give you and you pass it on to someone else.
Yeah.
So,
in Poland, we have such a plain envelopes, just white envelopes. Even when we give someone's money, it's just like plain envelopes. This is beautiful. So.
तो अब ये पोलैंड ले जा तू. You take it to Poland and give it to your mother.
Oh, you even gave me money.
Indian rupees दिए हैं तेरे. खोल ले कितने देख how much money I have given. देख रहे? You see how much money?
Quite a lot.
Yeah, कितने हैं गिन.
You must really love me.
Yeah, कितना है कितना?
100 rupees.
100, 150, 200, अरे 250 रुपया है. 250 rupees.
वाह
सस्ता समझती है क्या मेरे को? सस्ता?
Thank you, babushka.
You're welcome.
Do I need to give something to you?
दे सकती है, मतलब चाय मिल जाती है अगर. If you can make some nice tea.
I can make you some nice chai and I will give you walnuts as well.
ओ हाँ, अखरोट के साथ चाय and maybe वो रोटी भी बना दे फिर. Make that roti this rice one. तो guys, I hope that you enjoyed आज का व्लॉग. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को कश्मीरी पंडित कम्युनिटी के बारे में थोड़ा इनसाइड से पता चला.
So guys, if you like our content, please hit that like button, share our content and obviously subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
This is only £2.50, you know.
So what? Money is money.
ये बात भी सही है वैसे.
You know how much I can buy for 250?
What?
If I go to Sarojinagar Market. You know how many items I can buy?
ये भी सही बात है. सरोजनगर में काफी सामान मिल जाएगा.
Sarojinagar, I love it. Yeah.